What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As promised, if you watched the last video, we are officially in Disney, and I am going to give you a house tour of this incredible Airbnb that's themed out with all Disney and Universal we're staying at. How cool is this place? So if you want to see more and check out this awesome house, keep watching. Totally feeling these palm tree vibes. This house is so adorable. All right, let's check it out. So, the incredible lady that owns this place, her and her brother actually hand painted all of this stuff and decorated it. And they did an awesome job. We're not even at Disney yet, and I'm totally feeling the Disney vibes. So we've got nice living room, dining area. Hi, hubby.
Hey.
Nice fully stocked kitchen. She has up a nice little Christmas tree. Entryway and TV. And then there's, for the kiddos, there's lots of books and games. And there's also different like TV things you can watch with cable. How cute is this? The stairs are Minion. So cute. But the kitchen is fully stocked. This is hands down one of the best Airbnbs I've ever stayed at. She's got all sorts of beautiful coffees and teas, every kind of appliance and accoutrement you could think of, with all the wonderful Disney little touches everywhere. Which, if you're going to a Disney resort or even a Universal, this is the place to stay. I mean, totally get you in the mood. Waking up in the morning to this, absolutely. What do you think so far?
It looks very relaxing. Got a pool out there, which you'll see in a minute. Close to Disney. Can't ask for something better.
But look, like every kind of spice and syrups and oats. I mean, she's truly thought of it all. Got some bottles of water and then some condiments, which was really thoughtful. And then again, all the Disney touches. How cute. And check this out. I mean, honestly, we have our own pool that's all fenced in and it's heated. How nice. And she's got heaps of toys and floaties. You can have a little lunch out on the patio. This place is super kid friendly too. You've got a little trolley you can use. Let's check out some more of the house. So on the first floor, Aristocats. Oh, how perfect is that? Look, it's Marie. The first bedroom that they hand painted. How stunning is this? Total Peter Pan vibes. So this is the downstairs bedroom. Very nice. Got a TV. Lots of storage space. Mirror. Even little touches everywhere. Like she didn't miss a detail. And even the closets for the kiddos. She's got everything. Like pack and play, stuff to take the babies in the bath, extra beds and mattresses, strollers. I mean, you're truly all set. Incredible. Love this even more. If you're here for a long vacation, washer, dryer, you've got everything, dryer sheets, towels for the pool, all the cleaning products if you need to clean up anything. And then this adorable downstairs bedroom. This is where my fabulous Aunt Rosie will be staying. This will be her whole downstairs quarters that we got her. So not only will she enjoy her own bathroom, she'll have her own bedroom, which is also right off the kitchen. If she needs to do any laundry for the whole week that we're here. And she'll be close to the kitchen and the pool. And she can just wake up in the morning and enjoy herself, which is nice if you have guests. Everybody can kind of do their own thing. So let me take you guys upstairs. Check this out. The fun continues. So we've got the Minions, all the little details everywhere. So cute. Oh my gosh, kids must go absolutely wild when they get here. Now the nice thing is there's 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 more bathrooms. So the bathroom in the hallway here is all Minion, which is really cute. And again, every detail she has thought of. So, I mean, there's heaps of extra towels, blow dryers, toiletries, body wash, shampoo and conditioner, an extra little Minion. So if you forgot anything, don't worry, it's here. And then this adorable room of Thing 1 and Thing 2. Oh, the places you will go. So nice 2-bedroom or 2 beds. And then they've also got a TV with a very nice view. Heaps and heaps of closet space, which is really nice. So there's lots of closet room and lots of hangers, so you can hang all of your clothes up, which is quite nice. And then this is probably one of my favorite rooms, just because I love Toy Story so much. But how cute is this room that she hand-did? It is so adorable. There's Jessie's hat. And you got Buzz. I mean, she really went all out. I love this house so much. It's so cute. Look. I mean, down to the detail. Slinky dog. I mean, what kids, even adult, like, this is so cool. So you can have 2 to 3 more kids in here. Again, lots of room. But I'll tell you what sold it for me. Check out this closet that she has for her guests. I mean, are you kidding me? Tons of Disney outfits, costumes, toys for the kids, costumes for adults. So everybody can get dressed up and get into the Disney vibes. I mean, seriously, I wish this fit. But I mean, what an amazing place to come on holiday. And you've already got everything right here to keep the kiddos or yourself entertained. So I just thought that was such a great little extra bonus to have this kind of stuff in here, because who doesn't love a good dress up? But that's not all. She even has heaps more, and all these incredible fun glasses. And so there'll be never a dull moment in this house for sure. Anybody you bring along will surely love it. And then the master bedroom, which is stunning, is Cinderella themed. How cool is this? So this is where Michael and I will be staying. I love all the little extra touches. Nice little Cinderella. Nice little castle. And of course, I got Michael his new hat to protect him from the sun. And then, of course, I ordered all these brand new beautiful masks to look good with our outfits for the theme parks. Because who wants to wear a generic mask to the theme park? Not this girl. Look at all these cute masks. Best day ever. So I think we're sorted when it comes to masks. And again, all the little, I love that quote. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you fall asleep. Again, heaps and heaps of closet room, extra dooners, blankets, rooms for shoes and clothes, which is great. Has a view of the pool and the backyard. And then another bathroom, which is quite nice. All matching well with the theme. So if you can't believe, we have this place from Monday to Sunday. And this is my, I think, 8th time to Disney World. And this place is actually probably half the price it would be for Michael and I alone just to stay in a Disney resort hotel where you're just in a small room. So you get a lot of bang for buck. You can have, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably about up to 12 guests comfortably here. But yeah, this place is amazing. And we are going to have quite the good time here. I think that's my favorite part right there. All right, shall we go check out the rest of this resort?
Absolutely. Hungry, starving.
Well, did you know this place has miniature golf?
No.
It has air hockey, video games, a tiki bar, pools, slides, fishing, shuffleboard, volleyball, and so much more, all in this gated property.
Let the adventures begin.
All right, so I think that's it for the house tour, and I think we'll go walk around and check out the rest of this beautiful place and show you around. All right, so as you can see, there is plenty to do, even if you're not heading to the Disney parks and you're taking a break for the day. I highly recommend taking a break in between Disney day parks and get to enjoy these amazing amenities. Take a break with the kids, play by the pool, or just enjoy yourself. There is, as you can see, so much to do here. And, you know, they have everything from fishing, as you can see in the further back, to swimming, cabanas, shuffleboard, just lazy day on the hammocks. So definitely get a chance to just take a break in between your park days and rejuvenate and refresh to have some energy for the next day and enjoy all these great things that this place has to offer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe so you can see what we're getting up to next. Hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our shenanigans, and be sure to like the video. Tomorrow, here we go to Magic Kingdom.